Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi everyone, how are you today? Do you want to speak English easily, confidently, and without fear? Then this video is perfect for you. Today, we will practice a very simple, daily life conversation. You can use this conversation at home, with your friends, and family. This is very easy, slow, and perfect for beginners. So don't worry, if your English is not good. Just listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice daily. Speak loudly, and don't feel shy. Because practice makes perfect. If you practice this conversation for just few minutes every day, you will start speaking English easily in a few days. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for daily English practice. To help you understand, we have also added Urdu translation. Repeat with us and keep listening carefully. Listen carefully and repeat again and again. Practice with us and improve your English step by step. Don't just watch, speak with us. Pause the video and repeat every sentence. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep learning. Now, let's begin. Emily, hello Alina, how are you today? Alina, hi Emily. I am fine. How are you? Emily, I am good, what did you do today? Alina, I stayed at home and did some work. Emily, that sounds nice. Herb daily work talk. Emily, what kind of work did you do? Alina, I cleaned my room and helped my family. Emily, that's great, what else did you do? Alina, I also washed clothes and organized my things. Emily, do you like doing housework? Alina, not always, but I try to help. Emily, same here, sometimes I feel lazy. Alina, yes, me too. Emily, what time did you wake up today? Alina, I woke up at 7 o'clock, what about you? Emily, I woke up at 6:30. Alina, do you wake up early every day? Emily, yes. I try to wake up early. Emily, what do you do first in the morning? Alina, first. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Emily, then what? Alina, then I have breakfast. Emily, what did you eat today? Alina, I ate bread, egg, and drank tea. Emily, that sounds healthy. Alina, do you like heavy breakfast or light breakfast? Emily, I like light breakfast. Emily, do you ever skip breakfast? Alina, yes, sometimes, when I wake up late. Emily, that's not good for health. Alina, yes. I know. Emily, what do you do after breakfast? Alina, I use my phone and watch videos. Emily, how many hours do you use your phone? Alina, maybe 3 to 4 hours. Emily, that's a lot. Do you study as well? Alina, yes. I try to study daily. Emily, what do you study? Alina, I study English and other subjects. Emily, that's great. English is very important. Alina, why do you want to learn English? Emily, because I want to speak confidently. Alina, do you practice speaking daily? Emily, yes. I try every day. Emily, how do you practice English? Alina, I watch videos and speak with friends. Emily, that's a good method. Alina, yes, practice makes perfect. Emily, what did you eat for lunch? Alina, I ate rice and chicken. Emily, do you like spicy food? Alina, yes. I love spicy food. Emily, what is your favorite dish? Alina, my favorite dish is biryani. Emily, same here. I love biryani too. Alina, do you cook food? Emily, yes, sometimes I cook simple food. Alina, what can you cook? Emily, I can cook eggs, rice, and tea. Emily, what do you do in your free time? Alina, I watch movies and listen to music. Emily, what kind of music do you like? Alina, I like soft and relaxing music. Emily, do you watch movies alone? Alina, sometimes alone, sometimes with family. Emily, do you spend time with your family? Alina, yes, every evening. Emily, what do you talk about? Alina, we talk about daily life and news. Emily, that's very nice. Alina, yes, it makes me happy.